Hi, welcome back to your English class. Today we're gonna check the page 54, exercise 10, grammar focus. Adverbial classes of time. When people get married in Japan, they sometimes have the ceremony at a shrine. After the food is served, the guests give speeches and sing songs. Before the guests leave, the bride and groom give them presents. Let's check it out. Adverbial class of time. We use the adverbial class of time with when, after, and before. This is the structure. Adverbial class of time plus subject and then to add the verb. We're going to use the comma, right? When you write an adverbial class of time, when first the subject people get married, it comes the verb, and finally you got to add a comma. When the adverbial class comes first in the sentence, right? What's the next? They sometimes have the ceremony. The guests give speeches and sing songs. The bride and groom give them presents. Right? This is the structure. Exercise A. What do you know about wedding custom in North America? Match these phrases with the information below. Number 1. Before a man and woman get married, they usually, what is the A, B, C, D, or the X, right? When couples get engaged, the man often, A, B, C, or D, you got to choose the correct answer. When a woman gets married, her family usually, blah, 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 right? When people are invited to a wedding, they almost always, right after a couple gets married, they usually, the answer, pays for the wedding and reception. B. Go on a short trip called honeymoon. C. Give the bride and groom a gift of some money. D. Gives the woman a diamond ring. E. Begin to plan the wedding. F. Date each other for about a year. Okay, you got to answer for today. And for homework, what do people use in Mexico before a man and a woman get married? They usually, what's happening in Mexico? You're going to answer, right? Number 2, when a couple gets engaged, the man often, what do the people in Mexico do? Right? You got to answer this for today. And for homework, what do people do in Mexico with this exercise? See you tomorrow.